So my dears, in this video, I'll show you how you can clean your phone from water. If you drop your phone in water, you can do this step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Play Store and tap in search. And after that, tap Clear Wave. You just need to download this first app, Clear Wave Water Eject. Install this app and after that, tap in open. Wait for a few seconds. Careful to you do not press in continue to you do not pay. Tap right here in this X point to close the plan offers, and you just need to tap in press and put your audio in the high audio you can use. When you do this method, wait for all the process. After the process complete, you just need to use this item and you can tap right here your phone in this item and everything will be done. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. Thank you to watch this video. And my dears, sorry about my English. I'm trying to help you about this tutorial. Thank you, my dears. Until the next video and see ya.